This is the tendon-to-bone seam technique for uh, median-sized rotator cuff tear, which is a crescent tear, as seen here. I like to use a spinal needle just to make sure I can get both to the medial and lateral aspect of the tuberosity. And usually the working portal is just anterior to the anterior lateral portion of the acromion. I can pierce the tendon with a punch and reduce it, essentially dragging the tendon over, or just use an arthroscopic grasper to reduce the tendon and make sure that the tip of this 2 millimeter pin is identified and brought forth right on the medial aspect of the tuberosity. Just gently tap it down in a controlled fashion, but make sure that it's all the way seated. And then a quick squeeze and pull back the pin, then press in the anchor and simply just take it down about half of the way, floss the suture, and then tap the anchor the rest of the way down. Tap it down. Once it's tapped down, a quick squeeze and tensioning the suture, but flipping the anchor and tensioning the suture. So this is the second medial anchor. I grab the tendon uh, over laterally, punch the device until it's fully seated, and do the same sequence of steps. Floss the suture here, and then tap it all the way down. Again, once it's tapped, a quick squeeze, pull the pin up, and when you tension the suture, do so in a gradual fashion using a little counter pressure in the exact same orientation that the anchor went in, which helps flip the anchor and tension the suture. And then after it's tension, you pull the cartridge, which locks each individual suture within each anchor, which is a unique feature of this technique. And then essentially, the surgeon can put the anchors wherever he or she feels necessary to get good compression of the cuff down to the full anatomic footprint of the greater tuberosity, and the amount of tension that's placed is also a surgeon choice. At the end of the procedure, you can see a very secure repair, and this is when I determine what type of rehab the patient's going to have based on the quality of the repair.